For a dim, crowded vanity, here's the best lighted makeup mirror setup for mirrors. Quick answer. Fancii Vera Lara is the saved settings default. Amztolife saves money. Sensor Mirror Trio upgrades a permanent vanity, and Sensor Mirror Fold packs away. No mirror covers every routine. Choose for counter space, magnification, light control, and upkeep. For a regular vanity, I'd buy the Fancii Vera Lara. It gives you an adjustable full-face mirror plus a removable 10x close-up mirror, so everyday makeup and detail work stay in one place. 3 light tones fit different routines, and your chosen settings remain saved for next time. That's less fiddling. You'll assemble the stand, and it costs far more than a basic 2-sided mirror. It also turns its light off after 30 minutes, while the included cable needs your own wall adapter. Skip it if money's tight, you travel often, or assembly annoys you. For a value-first countertop mirror, the Amztolife Lighted Makeup Mirror covers the basics without the bigger bill. Its bright adjustable light offers 3 tones, while full rotation and 1x plus 10x views handle regular makeup and close work. That's real value. The finish and base feel less polished, and fingerprints show quickly. Its unusual side DC connection is also harder to hide. You must flip back to the 1x side to change light settings during magnified work. Skip it if premium materials, easy cable replacement, or on-the-fly 10x controls matter. If your mirror lives permanently on a roomy vanity, the Simplehuman Sensor Mirror Trio is the upgrade. Face-activated lighting comes on quickly, and the large surface gives you full-face viewing alongside 3 magnification choices. It also brings lengthy warranty coverage for a daily use piece. The catch is cost. It's the priciest mirror here. Skip it if you'd rather use manual controls, need a broad tilt range, or simply want solid lighting without paying for sensor features. For trips or a counter that can't spare room, pack the Simplehuman Sensor Mirror Fold. Its folding body, low weight, protective case, adjustable height, and compact footprint make putting it away painless. That's the whole point. It's a close-up specialist, though. The only view is 10x, and its single light setting won't dim or change tone. Skip it if you need a whole-face mirror, adjustable lighting, or a lower-cost option. Sensor activation can occasionally be badly timed. Quick split. Everyday makeup and detail work go to Fancii Vera Lara. For core features on a tighter budget, pick Amztolife. For a premium permanent vanity, choose Sensor Mirror Trio. For packing away or travel, take Sensor Mirror Fold. Before buying, measure the counter and leave room to rotate or fold the mirror. Decide whether you need a whole face view or only 10x detail. Check where charging cables and wall adapters will go. If it packs away, make sure its case has a home. If you're unsure, start with Fancii Vera Lara for saved settings and both viewing modes. Go Amztolife if value matters most, or Sensor Mirror Trio for a permanent premium vanity. Choose Sensor Mirror Fold if storage and travel outrank a full-face view. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.